Modi, Prime Minister of India, submitted by all party leaders conference, demanding not to arrest Sonam Wangchuk, to release Pranab Dole, Aditya Rabha, and 5 other tribes people leaders of Assam, and to grant demands of students and Cockroach Janata Party, of which Abhijit Dipke is the chairman, and demand for creation of autonomous state under Article 244A of the Constitution of India. That, sir, the tribes people, namely Rabha, Mising, Borog, Karbi, Mikir, Mizo, Lushai, Naga, all tribes, Khasis, Garos, Tiwa, Dimasa, Kuki, Mar, Thado, etc. are the indigenous tribes people of Assam. We have been authorized by Chapter 10 of the Assam Land and Revenue Regulation 1886, the 6th schedule to the Constitution of India, and several laws of India, and also by the United Nations Declaration on the Rights of Indigenous Peoples 2007, to exercise our rights in the matter of our land and our customary laws. In exercise of our rights granted by these laws and UN DRIP, our humble tribes people leaders, Sri Pranab Dole, Sri Aditya Rabha, and others demonstrated against the attempt of the anti-tribal Assam government to sell land of the simple poverty-stricken tribes people at Ukiam and Bordwar in Kamrup Rural District, and in Lepothar village and Phumen Inti village in Kajironga Wildlife Sanctuary area in Karbi Anglong Autonomous District and Golaghat District in Assam. They were peacefully doing demonstration in exercising their rights guaranteed by law and UN DRIP. But the Assam government, in their hatred against the tribes people of Assam, arrested them without rhyme and reason, and they are not granted bail. We therefore pray to your honor to order release of these leaders of tribes people unconditionally and without delay, and to withdraw the fabricated charges against them, and to let them exercise their rights guaranteed by laws and UN DRIP. We further pray that our land of the tribes people must not be sold or transferred in any manner to the non-scheduled tribes, persons or organizations and corporates such as Ambani, Adani, Hinduja, Greenco, DS Company, Hyatt, etc. in the pretext of so-called development purposes and construction of 5-star and 7-star hotels. We are extremely aggrieved over the fact that an internationally renowned scientist, Sri Sonam Wangchuk, who is dedicating his life selflessly for his own people of Ladakh, Leh, and also for all other people of India and the world, is being treated like a criminal detainee in New Delhi. We pray to your honor to let him exercise the rights guaranteed to us under Article 19 of Indian Constitution and UN DRIP, and give back to him his freedom of movement, work, speech, right, and association as free citizen of India. Number 3, that, sir, we are of the same opinion with Sri Abhijit Dipke, his Cockroach Janata Party, the students of India, and their parents in the matter of transparency and clean conduct of NEET, TET, and all other tests and examinations which our students and youths are required to go through for their good life. The persons who have inflicted atrocities against the students must be punished. We thank you so much for removing Sri Dharmendra Pradhan from the post of Education Minister of Union Government. We pray to your honor to grant the other demands of the students and the CJP for the good of education and the good life of our future generation. Number 4, that sir, since 1969, the All-Party Hill Leaders Conference of Karbi Anglong Part and then the Autonomous State Demand Committee ASDC since 1986 have been demanding for creation of an autonomous state of Karbi Anglong and the Mahasau autonomous districts of Assam. The government of India has made a provision for creation of an autonomous state consisting of the hills districts under Article 244A of the Constitution of India in 1969, but it has not been implemented till today. It is not out of place to state that since sometime in the 1950s, in Assamese LP school textbook, Arhipat, it has been written Mikir Okora, which means foolish Karbis. We are not against the author, but Karbi tribes people are still the most backward and the poorest and ignorant people in Assam. 90% of their houses are with mud plaster walls and earthen dam floors on which children sleep. Percentage of literacy and percentage in HSLC examinations among them are the lowest, and school dropouts percentage is the highest. Number of schools closed is the highest. Last page. Number 5. That sir, like in the past 75 years, except the period ruled by ASDC during the MLA elections 2026, also incompetent persons were chosen by BJP, and these candidates are elected by stealing votes and tampering the EVMs. None of them have been found by the BJP to be fit for holding the post of a minister. So, a non-scheduled tribe MLA from Karimganj is brought to be minister, hill areas which constitutes a tribal area governed by the 6th schedule to the Constitution of India. Since the year 2000, Bongo Senas have been making their objective clear through media to turn Karbi Anglong and a part of Nagaon district into Bongo Bhumi. Now, during the rule of BJP, Bongo Senas have surreptitiously succeeded to turn Karbi Anglong, West Karbi Anglong and the Mahasau autonomous districts into an undeclared Bongo Bhumi by using BJP as a tool. The tribes people of these 3 hills districts will never allow Bongo Bhumi to be set up here. We will fight constitutionally and peacefully to retain the tribal areas under paragraph 1 and 20 of the 6th schedule to the Constitution of India. In this matter, only your honor can help us. We therefore pray to your honor to appoint a scheduled tribe hills MLA as Minister of Hills Areas Department in place of a Bongosana MLA and remove the stigma of Mikir Okora foolish Karbis from the people, from the Karbi people. Further, we pray to your honor to save our hills areas territory. 6. We all earnestly, with all earnestness, we pray to your honor to implement Article 244A of the Constitution of India and create an autonomous state comprising the 3 hills districts of Karbi Anglong, West Karbi Anglong, and Dimha Sao without further delay, and lift us out of poverty, ignorance, foolishness, and suppression of the anti-tribal government of Assam. In conclusion, we once again pray to the Almighty to be with you continually, guide you, protect you, and continue to give you wisdom and good health for the good of India and the different nations of the world. Your obedient citizens, J.I. Kathar, IAS retired, President, All Party Hill Leaders Conference, Samson Teron, LLB, Secretary Law, APHLC, and many others in page 4. So now I request you, the Deputy District Commissioner, in place of this District Commissioner, his ADC, to receive the memorandum. I will give you 2 copies so that you can retain one and send the other to the Honorable Prime Minister.
Photocopy. Yeah. Sign.
Siapa? Video lagi.
Komando saya belum.
Cari aja Pak.
Cek.
Satu ya.
Thank you.
Ilitong